Hi everyone, it's Sheila here with my weekly update. So this week I have been mainly in my studio slash office doing a bit of painting but actually a bit more of kind of admin work and also a bit of other non-art related work as well. So what I thought I'd do this week is kind of share with you a bit more of my working environment. So if you just give me a second, I'll pause the camera and turn around so you can have a look. So here we are. This is my working room. This is my desk area. So you can see I have a board here and which I can move up and down like that. I tend to stand if I'm painting here, and you can see yeah, some colours of some recent work. There is behind here a radio, a lollipop, because everyone needs a bit of a swirly lollipop, my laptop, various other things. That's a view out my window over to some flats. There's lots of different work on the floor, and the floor space, yeah, you can see sort of different things on the wall. I kind of changed that around a bit with different work. But my floor space is quite important to me as well, because I actually do quite a lot of work on the floor. So one of my most important pieces of equipment, and this is a big artist trick for you, a big thing, is this. It's this bit of plastic which I use to cover the floor. And actually, I really like this now because it's got so many colours and bits of things on it. But that is one of my most vital pieces of equipment. So yes, as you can see, I would like to think this is kind of a multi-purpose space where I do all sorts of things related to every part of my working life. But one of the things I've been doing this week is I've been monitoring my mailing list, so thank you so much for those of you who have signed up. But I would quite like to get a few more people on my list, so I am going to give as a little thank you to everyone who's signed up, and to try and incentivize maybe a few more people to sign up for my mailing list, I'm going to have a bit of a giveaway. So if I can get to 100 subscribers on my mailing list, and I'm not quite that much off halfway there already, I will put everybody's name into a hat, and I will draw out one name, and that person will win a piece of original art. And I'm just going to get it for you and show you, and it's this little bit here, this piece here, this sunset that I painted this week of my favourite place, which got quite a lot of likes on Facebook and Instagram. So tell your friends, tell your family to sign up for my mailing list, and once we get to 100, we'll have a little raffle and someone can win this prize. So I hope you're all having a good week. I know it's been a difficult week for everyone with different lockdown restrictions and COVID cases on the rise. It's a very strange time for us all, but I think art is something that can help us. It can take us to other places. It can also remind us of times, and we can express how we're feeling about this situation through that as well. So I hope you're all keeping well, and please, as ever, if there's anything you'd want to know about, if there's anything that you saw my mini studio tour that you would like to know more about, then please do let me know. I will do other videos when I've actually got some work in progress that I'll show you as well. But again, anything you'd like to know, then please just get in touch, leave me a comment, DM me, whatever. And remember, check out the website, and yes, remember about that mailing list. So let's see if we can get to 100 as soon as possible. Take care. Bye.